In the sounds of silence, narrow streets I walk along. In the sounds of silence, in the sounds of silence, narrow streets I walk along, narrow streets of cobblestone. As I walk along on the narrow streets and the cobblestones of Toronto, Canada. Good morning. Yeah, it's me, Miss Kitty again, giving you some real methodical, logical, economical thinking of Canada, Canada's people, Canada's land, why we're here, and our waving flag. As you can see, the tree has shed. It has shed all the beautiful blossoms. You see how everything has shed? And here are the narrow streets I walk along, and the tree is shedding. Now, this is nature. This is all nature, but nature, everything in nature, but nature. It will always be nature because Mother Nature is here to nurture nature. From the birth of Mother Earth to the girth of Mother Earth to the universe. See how beautiful it is? See how wonderful it is? See how free and spiritual it is? But why are we suffering? Why did Justin Trudeau open up public schools and daycare centers and put little children and educational staff to have 41 cases of COVID in Quebec, in the province of Quebec near Montreal, when his father was a gracious Prime Minister of Canada in 1969, Pierre Elliott Trudeau. And at that time I wanted to be Prime Minister of Canada because of his father. But he's making a lot of crazy, stupid decisions. Justin Trudeau wants to be a nationalist around the world so he can unite with other nations for monies, for economical reasons, when Canada goes broke. What the fuck is this guy doing? Signing off right now with Sonia Fuderman, and this is when it's beautiful, and this is my representation of COVID. COVID means demise. COVID means surprise. COVID doesn't mean the garden and the lilies and the beautiful things and the shedding of natural ecosystems that unite the whole wide world together. So if we hurt all the United Nations, if we hurt all 8 continents, if we hurt every bloody sea, if we hurt every river, if we hurt every lake, if we hurt every person, we're hurting ourselves. Stephen Hawking, you know him, the scientist in the wheelchair? Google him, smartest man in the world. Because he could not get up and do what we could do. But he was able-bodied, brilliant genius because all he had to work with was what God had given him. And what God had given him was soulful, real, beautiful, absolutely gracious, wonderful experience of entrepreneurship and innovative thoughts and genius to leave on the planet Earth when he passed away this year in 2020. Geniuses leave legacies. Geniuses leave legacies to teach the rest about the environment and the world and the universe. our economy, our disease factors. Now they are saying that there is going to be 180 trillion dollars being made in the worst, absolute worst scenario of making money in the world, which is nanotechnology. And they're saying investors invest. So that means that the whole world is going to be nothing but robots. It's already robots. Technology is already here. Cars will drive by themselves. Planes will drive by themselves. Men will no longer seek a woman. A robot that says yes, yes, yes. And it's going to be pathetic. So I don't know if this is the demise of humankind, or they just want to get rid of a certain sector with this COVID, or what they're trying to do, or who did it. They're saying China did it. Listen, it could have been the US, it could have been Russia, it could have been England, the UK, or it could have been, I don't think it was Canada, because Canada's too stupid. And I'm not saying it was anything or anyone or anybody, because I'm not like Trump. I do not push blame and push fingers and blame somebody for this specific thing that's happening right now. What's happening right now is the cause of something called climate change, climate crisis, and climate demise. It means that our earth has been raped, murdered, and it's on its way out. And Stephen Hawking says there's only 100 years left on earth, because now nanotechnology, the $180 trillion deal that people are pushing, they no longer want to be millionaires or billionaires. They need to be trillionaires, and they want all these investors investing in everything that's plastic, robotic, and steel. And they want the hybrid babies that are born in 2020 to ignite them. So they want their brain installed in that technology, which is going to be the superpowers of the world, run by the dumbest people on earth who have destroyed the entire universe. What about my history? In 1508, Schoolcraft was a royal family from England who, when all the kings and all the queens had to shut down their castles, even before Henry VIII, the Schoolcraft royal family would grow and warrior and set up armies to protect all of these big kings and queens. And that's where I came from. Sonia Lynn Futerman. Google me. My legacy is Mother's Earth. Not Mother Earth. Mother's Earth. MOTHER''S Earth. A mother speaking about the earth. A mother knowing about the earth. A mother who was born on an earth sign. A mother who was born on a green sign. And a mother who was destined to teach like Stephen Hawking. Her legacy is about the earth. Caring and loving and sharing and giving and being empathetic for the earth and everything living on the earth. I got an earth, an angel, I breathe and I believe. Sonia Futerman signing off right now with hi. How are you, kid? How are you? Oh, I was talking about the earth. Hi, Daddy. Oh, you went for a waffle cone? I was talking about the earth through the trees, how beautiful that it had shed. Have a nice day. What's your name? Okay, have a nice day. Stay with Daddy. Okay, I love you. Bye.